Dear friends, we are getting numerous emails and phone calls about the possibility of third world war. When it will happen and whether it will happen, and so many questions are coming before me and before my team. And the reason behind this is that the most intense research about the possibility of third world war was done by us, and it was placed on the YouTube in a particular video. We took all the parameters of the wars happened in the last century, and taking account of all the parameters, we made a model and we could understand what are the factors which are responsible for creating atmosphere for a war. And on the basis of that, we were in a very complicated position after understanding that there is a strong possibility that third world war may happen any time in the year 2020. Now, after the China made vicious intrusion in the area of India, just like it had done in the 1961-62, the most pertinent and moot questions came before the human mind that whether it is the precursor of the Third World War. As if you had seen our video carefully about the Third World War created by us, you must have seen that we never used the word actual occurrence of the war. We always use the word that possibility and the background of the world war has already been created. And in the same manner, the China is intruding Indian territories this year, just a few days back, as already forecasted by us. It had already done in the 1961. So, dear friends, the intrusions and the clashes between Chinese and Indian army are not the indication of the Third World War, but it is only the background of the Third World War. You must understand this. You must understand that this is not the Third World War. So I am outrightly rejecting that with these clashes the Third World War is going to start. And another thing, if you have seen that video carefully, and you should see if you have not yet seen, this is very important video keeping in you the intense research, astrological research done by us regarding the possibility of Third World War. So I will tackle the moot question whether Third World War is going to happen, and if it is going to happen, when is the strongest possibility of Third World War. Just see friends, as you have seen in our video, we have ascribed the role of Jupiter and Saturn for occurring any big war in the world. And right now, Jupiter and Saturn are moving zodiac sign, that is the Capricorn, which is owned by the Saturn, which is debilitating sign of Jupiter. And what is happening that on June 30, on 30th June, Jupiter will come back to the Sagittarius, and the things will start to settle again. But on 20th November 2020, Jupiter will again enter Capricorn, and both the grahas will clash. Biggest planets, biggest grahas of the solar cabinet will clash, and they will create possibility of Third World War. And it will happen in the third week of December 2020. Oh my God. And when they will clash, once Jupiter will be defeated, once Saturn will be defeated. And what the great sage Varamihir has told about the defeat of Jupiter, he has written that Saured Charjunayana Vasati Yaudheya Sibibiprah. And when the Saturn will be defeated, he has written that Saumen Parabhute Manding Vadig Vihanga Pashunagah Santapyante Gruda Istri Bahula Mahisaksakasya. And when I see in detail, both the combinations indicate, especially which is relevant to India, clashes on the northeastern front of India. It has already occurred because both are Jupiter and Saturn are already in the same zodiac sign. It will again happen. It will again happen in the last month of this year. But this is most important for me, for you, and for especially the rulers of the countries of the world, especially of India and China. China is going to suffer if this war happens. China is going to suffer, and the leaders of China should listen this video very carefully. Spread this video, because when war happens, no one remains safe. No one remains safe. So friends, what we are predicting that the Third World War, if it is not stopped by the rulers of the world, it is going to happen in the last month of this year. Spread the word so that sleeping giants of the earth may get awakened and take the relevant steps what is required to stop the Third World War. Namaskar, I am Achar Kalki Krishnan from astrodyom.com. Subscribe our channel without fail if you want to listen these carefully, meticulously prepared videos which are very authentic, which are very reliable. Thank you again.